What is going on with Samsung? They have created a near perfect smartphone this year which has made everyone happy, yet Samsung cannot sleep at night working tirelessly on one thing and one thing only, which is doing the unthinkable. Samsung is currently in a do or die situation if they pull the trigger on this massive decision, and well, it seems like they're gonna do it. The Samsung Galaxy Dream Team, the one that was working on the Galaxy Exynos chip for 2025, they may have achieved something incredible and possibly even groundbreaking in their one-year death of Exynos flagship chip. It took them 2 years to make the strongest Exynos chip ever in history, which is going to be the Exynos 2400. Recent rumors are pointing towards a performance that is at least on par with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. They also signed a multi-year deal with AMD to bring the best RDNA-based GPU to this chip. They even hired a former GPU development expert at Qualcomm who even worked at TSMC. All this for the big Exynos dream comeback. But how? How can they do this in the best way possible? And well, according to the latest leaks, Samsung may be looking to showcase the power of Exynos 2400 by possibly bringing it to the Galaxy S24 base model only in selective markets. Meaning the S24 Ultra and the Plus model will exclusively use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. In this way, Samsung can showcase what they have done in these 2 years with the Exynos 2400 while also still keeping the 8 Gen 3 for the expensive S24 models. Now, the benefit of using the Exynos 2400 is that Samsung will be able to save some money and give some meaningful upgrades like a base 12 gigs of RAM as well as a higher 256GB storage to the S24 model. Samsung is sorry for the past Exynos mistakes, but it is painfully clear that no matter how good Qualcomm gets, the ultimate plan is to bring back their own chips. Also in the news, Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera will have some massive improvements thanks to the software enhancements. Samsung is still likely keeping the same main camera as the S23 Ultra, so these software upgrades are currently being tested on the S23 Ultra and they're looking very promising. As for hardware changes, Samsung is looking to drop the 3x lens and bring the continuous zoom, which can go optically from 3x all the way to 10x. That new zoom lens is expected to be the biggest camera change on the S24 Ultra. Again, we are still almost a year far from the S24 series, so a lot of this can still change. Samsung's do or die situation is here, which is the Exynos 2400. They have to perform, otherwise people are going to lose trust in Samsung forever. Drop your thoughts below in the comments. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.